Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, Heat Miser versus Freeze Miser. Who's winning? In today's article, we've got an image from WX charts and my own personal figurines of the heat and snow misers. As December 2025 unfolds, the US weather pattern feels familiar, but not identical to what we experienced in January of 2025. The same climate players are on the field, yet their alignment is subtly different, shifting the balance between warmth and cold. Below is a side by side snapshot of the key atmospheric drivers, the climate indices, then and now. The ENSO. Mid-December 2025, we have a weak La Nina that continues. In January of 2025, La Nina was firmly in place. The Arctic Oscillation, or AO, mid-Dec 2025, the forecast to trend negative, raising the risk of blocking and cold air delivery. And in January 2025, it oscillated negative early, turning positive later in the month. The North Atlantic Oscillation, the NAO. Mid-December were forecasted negative, supportive of eastern U.S. cold outbreaks. In January, it was positive during the latter half, limiting sustained cold. The Pacific Decadal Oscillation, which is the PDO, mid-December 2025, it was negative, following a record-setting -4 extreme in July of 2025. And in January, it was strongly negative, reinforcing La Nina's impacts. The Pacific North American, that's the PNA, in mid-December right now, negative, keeping the polar jet further north. In January, it was positive early, helping drive a notable mid-month cold snap. What it means on the ground. For December 2025, a weak La Nina plus a deeply negative PDO favors colder and snowier conditions in the northern tier and Pacific Northwest, while the south and southeast skew milder and drier. A potential negative AO over NAO raises the odds over episodic cold, but the jet stream remains reluctant to fully buckle so far. In January 2025, the US saw sharper temperature swings. After a warm finish to Dec 2024, January delivered an east-west split and a memorable mid-month cold outbreak across the plains and east. What's the verdict? The freeze miser is gaining leverage as blocking risk rise, but heat miser still has enough jet stream support to keep extremes uneven. For energy markets, this is less about one winner and more about volatility. You can learn more on the links that we've included in the article below. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.